to this lesson on balancing chemical equations. Today, we'll be looking at how to balance the equation for the reaction between magnesium and hydrochloric acid. Let's start by writing out our unbalanced equation. We have magnesium plus hydrochloric acid yielding magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas. Next, we need to count the number of atoms for each element on both sides of the equation. On the left side, we have one magnesium atom, one hydrogen atom, and one chlorine atom. On the right side, we have one magnesium atom, two hydrogen atoms, and two chlorine atoms. Now we need to balance the chlorine and hydrogen atoms. We can do this by adding a coefficient of 2 in front of HCl. This gives us one magnesium atom, two hydrogen atoms, and two chlorine atoms on both sides. Let's recount the atoms to verify if all elements are now balanced. On both sides, we now have one magnesium atom, two hydrogen atoms, and two chlorine atoms. Finally, let's do a final check to ensure everything is balanced. We can see that the equation is now balanced with one magnesium atom, two hydrogen atoms, and two chlorine atoms on both sides. Let's visualize this balanced equation. On the reactant side, we have one magnesium atom and two hydrochloric acid molecules. On the product side, we have one magnesium chloride molecule and one hydrogen molecule. And that's how we balance the chemical equation for the reaction between magnesium and hydrochloric acid. Remember, the key is to ensure that the number of atoms for each element is the same on both sides of the equation. Thanks for watching.